Hey everyone, and welcome to the world of web development. It's like building a house, but instead of bricks and mortar, we use code. The web is a vast network of interconnected documents and resources. These documents, called web pages, are what we see when we visit a website. Ever wondered how websites work? They're built using a combination of languages that tell your browser what to display. Think of it like a recipe book for the internet. Now, let's meet the chefs of the web: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three languages are the fundamental ingredients for creating websites. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First up, we have HTML, the backbone of every web page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's like the skeleton of our website, providing structure and content. Imagine HTML as the foundation and walls of a house. It defines the different sections like the header, navigation, and content area. We use tags to create these elements. For example, the tag represents a paragraph while signifies a heading. See how organized everything looks? That's HTML in action. Next, we have CSS, or cascading style sheets. If HTML is the skeleton, then CSS is the clothing, makeup, and hairstyle. CSS adds style and visual appeal to our HTML structure. It controls colors, fonts, layout, and even animations. Want to make that heading blue or center that image? CSS is your go-to tool. With CSS, we can transform a plain website into a visually stunning masterpiece. Now let's bring our website to life with JavaScript. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic elements. Think of JavaScript as the electricity that powers up our house. It allows us to create things like drop-down menus, image carousels, and even games. JavaScript listens for user actions, like clicking a button or scrolling the page, and responds accordingly. Pretty cool, right? JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities for creating engaging user experiences. Section 5. Drop-down menus and hover effects. Let's talk about some common web elements. Drop-down menus and hover effects. These are great examples of how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together. We use HTML to create the structure of the menu, CSS to style its appearance, and JavaScript to handle the drop-down functionality. Hover effects add a touch of interactivity, changing the appearance of an element when the mouse hovers over it. These small details can make a big difference in user experience. Section 6. Validating your code and SEO. Now, before we get carried away with all the cool features, let's talk about code validation. Writing clean and valid HTML is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures that our website is displayed correctly across different browsers and devices. Second, it plays a significant role in SEO, or search engine optimization. Search engines like Google use bots to crawl and index websites. Valid HTML helps these bots understand the structure and content of our pages, which can improve our search engine rankings. So, let's make it a habit to validate our code regularly. Section 7. Accessibility matters images and alt text. When adding images to our website, it's essential to consider accessibility. Not everyone experiences the web in the same way. Some users might have visual impairments and rely on screen readers to access web content. This is where alt text comes in. Alt text is a short description that we provide for each image, which screen readers can then read aloud. By adding alt text, we make our website more inclusive and accessible to everyone. Section 8. Dynamic web applications with back-end integration. So far, we've focused on the front end of web development, the part that users see and interact with. But what about the behind-the-scenes magic? This is where back-end languages like Python and Java come in. They power the server-side logic, handle data storage, and interact with databases. For example, if you're building a social media platform, the back-end would handle user authentication, data storage, and content delivery. Integrating back-end technologies allows us to create dynamic and data-driven web applications. Section 9. Responsive design with Bootstrap. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial to ensure that our websites look great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This is where responsive design comes in. Responsive design means that our website adapts its layout and content to different screen sizes. One popular tool for achieving responsive design is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a front-end framework that provides pre-built components and styles that are mobile-friendly. Using Bootstrap can save us time and effort in creating responsive websites. Section 10. The journey of a web developer. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of web development. Remember, this is an ongoing journey of learning and exploration. Pay attention to detail, embrace creativity, and never stop learning. The web is constantly evolving, and so should we. Now go out there and build something amazing.